Raya was a strong and determined warrior from the land of Kumandra. She was skilled in combat and possessed a courageous spirit that was unmatched by any other in the kingdom. Raya's homeland had been plagued by an ancient evil known as the Druid, which had turned many of its people into stone. The only hope for Kumandra lay in the magical dragon gem, which had the power to banish the Druid and restore peace to the land. Raya embarked on a dangerous journey to find the dragon gem, facing many challenges and obstacles along the way. She encountered fierce adversaries and made unlikely allies, all while proving her bravery and wit in the face of danger. As Raya drew closer to her goal, she realized that the key to saving Kumandra was not just in finding the dragon gem, but in uniting the fractured tribes of her homeland. She learned that trust and cooperation were more powerful than any magic, and that the true strength of a warrior lay in their heart. In the end, Raya succeeded in defeating the Druid and bringing peace to Kumandra. Her courage and selflessness inspired others to set aside their differences and work together for the good of their people. Raya became a hero and a symbol of hope for her kingdom, showing that even in the darkest of times, there is always a way to find light and victory.